Oh, hey, y'all.
Yeah!
Y'all, bump a whisk. My mother sent me this. Thank you, mommy. My mother sent me this, right? And it is amazing. Bump a whisk. Watch this. Because I'm about to make this cornbread, okay? Shout out to Shani, Cotton Creations. And my mother also sent me that pickle pepper sauce in the back. That Jamaican pickle pepper sauce, what y'all know about that? But yes, it's lit. You then pour the mixture into the baking pan. And of course you spray the container before with cooking spray. And you spray the container or the baking pan, baking dish, cast iron skillet, whichever you have. But you spray it with cooking spray and then pour the cornbread mix into the pan. And then we are going to put the cornbread in the oven. And as you can see, it's at 350. It's at 350, it preheated it to 350 degrees. Whew. Listen, the edges might come out a little bit crispier than I intended, but when I say this is lit, shout out to Cotton Creations, shout out to Shani, thank you. And I will be buying another cornbread mix because I need this in my life. What you mean? Y'all, the candied walnuts, everything, everything. Thank you, Shani, because you changed my whole life. So this is what's left. This is literally it. I was supposed to have this last, what, a week? I ate this in about 20 minutes or so. Well, no, longer than that. Maybe 30. I've been nibbling away at it, but let me save some for this video. Okay? This don't make no sense. It's so good. I'm gonna have to get some more from her. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? Listen, I'm back with yet another video. For those of you who already know what it is because you're already subscribed to me, welcome back and thank you. For those of you who are new here, welcome. What you can find here are talks about hair, 4C hair specifically, the struggles of 4C hair, how to maintain and care for your 4C hair, make it grow longer. Okay, it talks about Maca root, how to gain/maintain weight, product reviews in general, skincare reviews / hacks, how to glow the heck up. But I just wanted to show you really quickly, if your hair is damaged or has gone through a lot of trauma, this is something that you can do, and you can use it as both a pre-poo and a conditioner. Okay, now too much protein for the hair, too much protein period, is not a good thing, but you don't want to go in with too many protein treatments for your hair. Again, if your hair has suffered a lot of trauma, if you've been going through it with your hair, if you've been neglecting your hair, then this is something that I have tried and done time and time again that has proven to be very effective. Does not break the bank. Find it in Walmart. You can find it on Amazon. You can find it wherever. Listen. Originals by Africa's Best Hair Mayonnaise, okay? And it does have extra virgin olive oil in it, and it has egg protein in it. Cholesterol is good for damaged hair, okay? Now, this is a moment that I've been dreading. You guys know I don't love to do my hair. I don't. And honestly, my hair thrives when I leave it alone, okay? Too much manipulation, for me personally, breaks the hair. I think that that's for a lot of people, a lot of black people, a lot of 4C hair people. If you're manipulating your hair too much, for most, because everybody's different, if you're manipulating your hair too much, then that could be the very reason that your hair is not growing. Okay? So, today I'm going to use this as both a pre-poo and a conditioner. You putting this on your hair alone and literally leaving it for what, 10, 15 minutes, maybe 20, is gonna be good. You can cover it with a plastic cap, okay? If you want to take it up a notch, which I have done, especially when I had a relaxer and my hair had gotten damaged from all kinds of things. My hair has been through it. You name it, then my hair has been through it more than likely. Okay, so when I had a relaxer, I used to use this and I grew my hair like crazy with that relaxer. Okay? Listen to me. It smells good too, honestly, y'all. It smells really good. If you want to take it up a notch, like I said, you can add more olive oil to it. It already has extra virgin olive oil in it. The brand that I have here is Colavita. Colavita. Okay, need to get some more, but you can add olive oil to this. You can also crack open an egg, put it in here, 1 or 2, mix it all up with the olive oil, and put that on your hair as a mask. And when I say that this will grow your hair like crazy, this will grow your hair like crazy, like it's not a game. So, like I said, I'm gonna eat first, and then I'm gonna go in with this. I'm literally going to put it all over my hair. I just dig in, put it all over, and let it sit for, like I said, however long you feel. It depends. It could be 10, it could be 15, or it could be 20. Sorry. 10, 15, or 20 minutes, I let it sit on my head. Sometimes I will even go as far as doing it overnight and really letting the product penetrate my hair. Okay, that's why I need some braids. I would love to get some braids. Listen, but can't do that right now. But at any rate, I might though. Real talk, because I'm tired. But yes, put this in your hair, slather it all over. You can leave it overnight. Of course, be very careful with your pillows. I'm just saying on nights when I need to go in with my conditioning. Like, it's not a game. I have silk pillow cases. I have the little not plastic, the plastic cover is what I meant to say. I have that, you know what I'm saying? Plastic shower cap things, the little disposable ones. You have to do what you have to do for your hair, ladies. It's not a game like people think it is, but it's not. People also think that because your hair is 4C that you can do any and everything to that hair. No, you cannot. You have to be very gentle with your hair, sis. Okay? But when you're not, or if something goes wrong, terribly wrong, this is your friend. But do not overdo this. Do not overdo this. This is not something that you should do weekly. This is not even something that you should do bi-weekly. Okay? You could do it once a month. You know, or if you can spread it out even longer. Again, though, if you've gone through specific trauma, hit them with the heat with this. Okay? Now let's talk about something that I should have done before, but I'm just now doing it. Listen. It came out looking like a big chocolate chip cookie, but I made Shanice's cornbread, y'all. It's for me, so the presentation isn't quite liteth. And, you know, it's not cut in any particular way. Like I said, this food is for me. So I'm about to go in. When I say it was a little crispier around the edges than I had planned for the cornbread, okay, but it actually tastes really good with it being crispy around the edges. I was like, okay, and it tastes so good. I didn't use the right size pan, so that's why it's so flat and whatnot. It came out more like a little, I don't know, like a little dessert, and it literally looked like one big chocolate chip cookie when I first did it. But this right here, it tastes so good. I'm just happy that it tastes good, aside from everything else. And then I have my Just Egg, my spinach, and I'm gonna make that into a sandwich. Is this the most random meal? Yes, but I eat random things. I'm the type of person that will stop at Popeyes, then go to Volcano, then go to Chick-fil-A just to satisfy my cravings and be happy. So do not mind that I'm eating these things that you might not think go together, but I'm going to enjoy it. Hallelujah. I'm going to enjoy it. I just wanted to give you that quick update. Y'all, I'm gonna do my hair in a minute. But before I do, okay, before I do, I'm gonna eat this food because I need to eat. But thanks y'all so much for tuning in. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out my website. Tell me if you've used the hair mayonnaise, how it works for you. Tell me if you've used maca root, how it has worked for you. Again, let me say this about maca root or anything, the protein treatment. Anything that's overdone is not good. You have to do things in moderation. You have to take breaks from things. You have to see if your body can tolerate certain things. You have to see if your hair can tolerate certain things. And everything that works for one person is not going to work for the other. That is why we have YouTube. You watch, you gather your information, your receipts, and then you do with that information as you will. Okay, so I'm just telling you what I do. You ain't got to follow what I do by any means. But that's just my 2 cents. Alright? If you feel so inclined, please do subscribe, like, comment, share. Hit the bell for notifications because you might miss the videos. And when I say I'm coming back with some lit stuff and we gonna switch things up a bit, I'm coming back with some lit stuff and we gonna switch things up a bit. Alright? Thanks for tuning in. And I'll holla. Y'all better get this Cotton Creations cornbread mix. I myself am about to buy another from her. Okay, and she has other products too. I'm going to leave her channel link in the description, but please do check out her channel so that you can know what else she has to offer, because she has other things. I'm talking about hair accessories. Okay, she's out here. She be cooking it up. Not a game. All right, thanks y'all for tuning in though. For real. I'll holla.